It has to all be the same profile?
Well, it doesn't really fit together. It can be painted. Well, we got a war going on. Nature, me and nature against nature. We got a woodpecker trying to break into the blind. So we're gonna put some tin up front just to see if he'll stop. But I got a sneaking suspicion he'll just keep going around. We may end up putting metal all the way around this this blind. Gonna put this up temporarily.
Okay.
I'll bring the tin snips out and cut that off.
Yeah, I suppose they trim it up.
Yeah. Well, I think we've won round one with the woodpeckers. They haven't started anywhere else. They had started a couple times at the top there before all this bottom stuff damage happened. So I put the sheet metal up. The internet says they don't like shiny stuff, so if this doesn't work, we'll try some tin foil or reflective tape and see if that helps. Alrighty, the saga continues. We're trying not to turn this into a big birdhouse. Talk to you later. Putting some supplies for the project for spring. Looking forward to another project. Coming soon. Talk to you later. You guys have a Merry Christmas.